Relax, Mom.
Oh, I'm sure I told your father 12 o'clock. Oh, now look what I've done.
Mom, what kind of bad luck are you trying to duck? You don't think Dad and Rick are gonna hit it off?
Well, believe it or not, your father seemed to be okay about it all.
Well, then what's the problem?
Hey, Billy.
Hey, Rick, grab a seat, man.
It's nice to see you again, Mrs. Douglas.
Hello, Rick. This must be a busman's holiday for you, dining where you work.
Actually, I'm kind of looking forward to it. I mean, I've been a bit nervous.
About meeting Billy's father? I'm sure you're going to get along just fine. Billy's father is a smart, sweet, funny man. Hello, Walter.
I know. Don't start with me. I'm late. I'm sorry. Our piece of junk car just broke down on the Beltway, so I end up having to get towed to this overpriced restaurant. And plus, about an hour ago, the market takes a nosedive. So other than that, I'm just fine. How are you folks? This lamb is just too spicy for me.
Rick said it might be, dear.
Oh, really? Well, I didn't realize Rick was a chef.
Well, my chicken's fine. Would you like to switch?
No, this is fine.
Rick's a waiter here.
Yeah, they throw in meals, so I get to try most of the menu.
Oh, yeah? Well, I hope you have a fallback career plan, because I don't think the food industry is going to be exactly your strong suit, son.
Well, I'm just working here to save some money for school.
8 years of school. Rick's gonna be a doctor.
Well, more power to you, if your parents can afford it.
Well, Daddy would have had a sports scholarship if he hadn't messed up his knee. He was point guard for Lambview High.
Yeah, well, I can still clean up the court with this guy one-on-one, even with a bum knee.
Yeah, you going to the game tonight?
Against Xavier? Yeah, I wouldn't miss it.
Well, my money's on Xavier.
I don't know. I mean, they seem pretty locked into that full-court press defense.
Yeah, well, they get a lot of turnovers for it, don't they?
Well, sure, but they also sacrifice a lot of easy baskets.
You think Lambview has a good chance, even with that half-court defense?
Works for the Blue Devils, doesn't it? Yeah, last year. I mean, it's like no pressure or anything, right? 17 seconds left to go in the game. The score's tied. You've got a free throw. You're standing there with the ball in your hands. You got about 1 million people watching you.
I gotta tell you something. I was hoping that Leighton was gonna blow it, because I, unfortunately, bet on UNLV.
No way.
Hey, Rick, isn't that Warren Pierce?
Oh, yeah, he said he needed a ride to the game tonight.
Yeah, we'll be right back, all right?
Okay. You know, you are beautiful, but I do not understand sometimes what makes you tick.
Walter, what are you talking about?
Well, I mean, you were in such a tizzy about me coming to this lunch.
Well, it meant a lot to Billy, that's all. To have you meet his friend.
Rick, he seems to be a very impressive young man. I'm extremely glad that Billy's hanging around with someone like Rick.
I don't think you quite understand. They do more than just hang around.
What is that supposed to mean?
I mean, they're more than just friends. Like you and me in college. One day we became more than just friends, like that.
I'll be back, okay? I need some air.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I guess my mom must have said something, huh? General Carpenter, hi. You, remember my friend Rick Mitchell,
Yes,
right?
hi, Rick. Billy's been telling me about you.
Well, whatever he said, I didn't do it.
No, it was all good. All good.
General Carpenter's cool. He knows.
Oh, great. You know, we could use an ally just right about now.
Yeah, I was afraid of that. I saw your father tearing out of here.
Yeah, I guess he finally figured out what my mom meant when she was calling Rick my friend. You know?
Uh-huh. Well, your father's a lot faster than I remember once my son, Bill, brought a special friend home, and it was a whole weekend that I never caught on.
Because he didn't want to catch on?
Maybe. But mostly because this was also new to me, as it is for your father. Look, why don't you go back to the table and keep your mother company, and I'll see what I can do.
I really don't want to go back to that table, Sloan.
Well, if you don't, you're going to be making a hell of a statement. Leaving your family sitting there wondering what they've done wrong.
Well, you see, That's not just my family sitting there. That's the problem. There is my son's, what do you call it, special friend?
Walter, what are you saying? You accept the fact that your son is gay as long as he doesn't fall in love? You want him to be alone the rest of his life?
Look, he's a kid.
How old were you when you first fell in love? You think this is none of my business, don't you?
Well, is it?
You just don't know how I envy you. You've done what I never had the courage to do when my son William was alive. You've taken the first step, accepting that your son is gay. But you have to do more than accept, Walter. You have to now give him the strength and the support that he'll need to live a life in his own way. You have a chance. You may never get it again. To share Billy's life. He wants to share it with you. Don't you see what a gift that is? He loves you so much, he wants you to meet this young man whom he started to care about.
Well, why couldn't somebody have let me know what I was walking into? I mean, what happens now? I go back to the office, somebody says, how was lunch? I say, well, lamb was a little spicy, but other than that, it was swell. I got to meet my son's boyfriend.
You know what I would give to have my son, William, back? Just so we could say something like that. Why do you care what the people at the office think? What about your family, Walter? Your family. Take the next step. Billy learned from you in Virginia to love people. That should be all that matters.
I'm sorry, Rick. When I asked you to join us, I had hoped Billy's father would understand.
Well, maybe Dad thought when you were calling Rick my special friend, you meant a pen pal or something. I don't know.
Don't sweat it. I mean, my dad would have made the same mistake.
Does he know you're gay?
Mom, you gotta stop putting that little pause in every time you say the word.
My parents do that too. I mean, yeah, they know. They're about as pleased as Billy's father seems to be about it, but they know.
So, Rick, what do you think the 76ers are going to do this year?